Let's go, boys. I mean, hopefully they take their hits.
Or if it's fucked.
What we doing?
Ethan's saying he doesn't like that bunker.
Okay.
I do not like. I don't know. I don't know. Do you think you can make a D2?
Me?
D1 and 2? I could, yeah. It's a bit hard.
It is hard.
I don't know. Do what you think, Steve. Stay here and then move if you can, or try for D2. Take your pick.
Let's go, let's go.
Ashley. Now someone behind me.
Oh, fucking hell.
No, because I'll turn around and
Alright, I'll follow you down.
no one's behind me. That's the
Fine, okay. What's going on? I'm getting sleepy. Let's touch tips. Yo. Yeah, Ash. You're just a ref. Is that from Brazil? I heard it is. Huh? Just from Brazil. And here we have a forge. Vinci. Come on, guys. I want to catch some G's. Huh? This. I like. This is hella rattly. What's going on? Let's go!
Add another 10 seconds now.
Oh. Add another 10 minutes.
I mean, to be fair, that's the first one who's been quiet.
What? No. When I'm screaming, the mic's gonna go distorted. You're gonna hear, "Hey, get the," and then that's what you're gonna hear.
Call a dead field.
About as fluffy as my nuts.
Obviously, I'm standing without a mask.
Oh,
Really?
bruh. What?
10 seconds.
20 and 0, let's go. Hey, get out! Really? Crazy! Wow, Key! Crazy, Key! D3! Yep. Hey, 50 brick! 50 brick! Hey, he's on. James is on the D3. He's looking at me. Hey, get out, Rory, get out! What's going on? Crazy.